This final lecture in this bonus section on Dynamo and schedules will focus on figuring out which schedules in your project are not currently on sheets. Sometimes in projects you're inundated with the number of schedules, people create work in progress schedules and other additional schedules that you may not necessarily know whether they are on sheets, as the properties of schedules does not allow you to see natively inside Revit whether they are on sheets. So if you open the Dynamo script schedules not on sheets, you can see that you can set a file path to export a schedule which contains all the schedules that are not on sheets in your model. The way this script works is that we get all the sheets in the model. We use the clockwork node sheet.schedules to get a list of the schedules that are on all of the sheets. We then create a unique list of the schedules that are on sheets, because a schedule can be placed on multiple sheets. And we also get a list of all the schedules. As in the previous script, we have to remove revision schedules as they exist within the title block. And then we effectively compare the two schedules, the two lists that we have created, the list of the schedules that are on the sheets and the list of the schedules in the model, to see whether they are the same. And for any that are in one list but not in the other, we have a output list. So if I just run this Dynamo script, you see how it quickly opens up the schedule on sheets Excel, and these are the schedules that are not on sheets within the Revit model. Going back into the Dynamo script, we can see what happened. So here we have a list of the schedules on the sheets. So there are 16 schedules on sheets, including revision schedules. So we need to filter them out. So now, here is where we have two lists of the revision schedules here, and then a list of the schedules that are on sheets, and the list of all the sheets in the entire model. And here we effectively deconstruct the list to establish which schedules are in neither of those two lists. So that works through there, and then we end up with a list of schedules that are not on sheets. And this can then be exported, and we get the schedule that was presented previously. So this is quite useful if you want to remove the number of schedules in your project, because schedules can take up a lot of space and processing power and increase the opening time of Revit models. So it's always useful to be able to keep the number of schedules down to a minimum. So that's the final lecture in this bonus section. I hope you find these useful, and you can come up with your own uses for using Dynamo with schedules. Thanks very much.